Okay, so for this tutorial, we will show you how to install a mod using Mod Manager. So here we are on the dashboard and we will move to click on Mod Manager, which will display this page. And you just have to click on Install Mod on server, and then you select the server you want to install mods to. As you can see here, there are currently no installed mods. So click on Pick and Install, and then DIY. And here we can click on Better Archery and plant everything. And then it shows here the selected mods that you want to install. And then click Install Mod Pack. It will lead you to this page. It will display your server IP and then the currently installed mods, which is currently blank. And then down here, you will see the mods that you want to install. Okay. And then you click on Continue Install, and it will start loading on the server side. All right, so it's done. Click on Manage Server, Install Mod, select your server, and it's there.